Well, so now we didn't hear video. Our boss, Chairman, won't to me say answer. Chairman, won't to me. Ghana ha upobia was saying so.
Ebusan for aha Ghana 7 TV GH. Make like, comment, subscribing, and for notification so turning on so that anytime you post a video, it is we will start making it.
On the Galamse, you know, we are not trying to play equalization here. We are not trying to equalize things. You understand? We are not trying to do that. But it pisses me off when I see MPP people. Me who's the MPP for can Galamse asema. No muhima. No muhima. Before 20 Before 2016, na river back on Kurani Ghana ha your friends and then your friends and Galamse Asema. Before 2016.
Clement.
Yeah, Vibrant.
I said Paul Yandoh there is my boyfriend, but at this point I'm giving you as a sacrifice to the psychiatric hospital. But I'm not going.
I won't penny view.
David. Ogumani wa se dodo. David.
What was sooner na Paul lesson?
Yeah.
Video
I don't understand. Is it that they are trying to think say Ghana for a Jimiana?
I'm doing say you refi.
Just 20 gata yi omoko jina ho ka che say gata ni river an cobra no. Omoka say refi wo ho.
And then Paul Yandoh Esu. When I saw the video, like Mesrisa,
we go be a fetchira ko bonani so pa manato nsuo ni.
Nipa bi say on wo chi na ho no wo bonani so afra na so. What do you say?
Go school yana ya adwekura eka ye kaka nema kakra. What I say? Bibie ni ho wiase a betima kire se John Mahama e wonimdie dibuman bibie ni ho wiase. There's nothing
or indirectly we did John Mahama.
What I say? Catch me ni na them me catch you bint me mama me did na them 1 2 John Dramani Mahama
Sami Jefi asaman wan kafa Samira ba me nyane akufuado
me ne na asem no kura o de Jan life man John Dramani Mahama 2012 ya Professor Miss Free Moon ya de o man share ni sa up to 2016 John Mahama twan fa bibia mo Ghana for do de be ya ne se obebo Ghana for ka be ma Ghana for hrisika Oko parliament ekoko jisika se omudi ko sirima ko yen confirm obo be dey asema be ka kire Ghana for oko shi o manisika oko parliament ekoko jisika se omudi ko nua e wo sirim oko be dey asema be ka kire Ghana for oko shi o manisika o jisika eko change efeni say affordable houses se o change dini se o ye ni segrame okoye edina sam no beka che ka so nkosi fa o jisika so nkosi 5000 house se no nkosi 1005 okobo maneka o jisika se okoye commanded sugar factory edikoko echichire be kire Ghana fo se factory no e produce sugar echire eni nanu na se kohwe machine kwa ye start sugar by sugar cane bi no we sugar factory no enguye John Dramani Mahama.
Okay.
John Dramani Mahama, Eji Omanisika, Edikoto buses, Edi break Ghana for. Oko efeni say a Matumas for bus terminal. Bus is I say go pay John Dramani Mahama di okrabai. Was say Omanisika sa. Omanisika nkwan was say no kopa ye ni first project we ye say or top part e de amankwala na bundi kura na say Somalia for kura president e be che part baby Ghana for Ghana e fen say West Africa Ghana dikaje independence baby Ghana akwakodroi president abada so che part pad no chair back akosi say or chair back no akosi say for the September ni ebe we abosumi nko ye be kwa abosumi du I feel say 1 year na ekwe e dey pe na Ghana ni betima dey a kire say John Dramani Mahama by 1 year wetima ya boa Ghana for bakope 10 months na ekomu no abosumi nko 10 months ni be we mu what I say it John Dramani Mahama o take advantage e wo Ghana for so the bill will bet me that you work for. There's nothing. Would I mention? Sa no be better than na musa. The saben than na musa. Or by you see a big push. More than big push. I say this as a chance.
Good evening. Good evening. My body was in making here. Want to my
chance say because I never for the so about ye a friend say we are year of road. Was year of road obi ese bi wa nko school kwa wote de wa kana say afu ye de be ya akwan it we see big push in factories na wo be ye roads and now be ye schools and now be ye den no as wa cut was sa no work 24 hours economy to date we want to mention 24 hours economy to na say no ma cut ho na fa Ghana for teams I bebre who dey asem eti ne konkosi what I say who dey asem eti ne konkosi put in the statement oh Ghana this is here everywhere is going to be construction when the catch us maybe buy your construction every region ya na say baby ah for thermal interchange na secondly takwade so interchange koso na Accra dey koso Kumasi dey koso kaso WFL say ni na koso what you stand do hanu oyi bi ha sa na tie obia constructing e dey na John Dramani Mahama was what dey Ghana for airport what I say e kasa or e communicator ni dia e kasa tenten asa bibia ni wo border me da say
President Mahama ye kutu sire wo wadaro matie ye sufre tie ye sufre na ma hafo enyan wonnom na magana galamse yi emrase tianenti na wo de wutimi enya ade no ma ye nyina ye hunto ye srew seni abrofo ni tie bia a pelitofo tu party
Paul Yandoh wa unso na wogina ho ye video no e wo boss chama wontumi na say sanso chama wontumi Ghana ha ope obi a wase nso a wan na say nso chama wontumi over 70% of water bodies are say wa Ghana ha are polluted wa Ghana chama wontumi na ye today you are crying to Mahama to do what ade amode 8 years asay no you want somebody to use 8 months to clean it who does that? And let me tell you something. When Mahama was leaving office in 2016, there was no single river now polluted by Galamsey. Now river Biani Ghana ha na Galamsey aseno. And you more MPP for na mobedi akonwa na mo say modi Galamsey say your friends and Ghana water bodies you know. Today you are crying that Mahama should do what? Adi amodi 8 years aseno. You want somebody to use 8 months to clean it. Adi Mahama no eden. Masa mama yanwi. As long as we all want Galamsey to be stopped, no, hypocrites like Paul Yandoh, when your boss was busy destroying our forests and our river bodies, where were you? Where were you? Today you are crying, you are pretending to be crying. Master Moon shifting in me. Abujan, for the commitment of this government towards the fight of Galamsey is commendable. Mama Yankana. The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Amakofi Bua Ekopimo River and Cobra, what he has said to assess progress in the fight of Galamsey. Okodu and Wadensembi to that. Mama Kakra.
If this is not war, then I don't see anything. We need to mobilize all the forces we have. We need to put all the resources we have to deal with this crisis of our time. And it's very, very clear. The president's heart is in the right place when he directed that we need to deploy permanently military and security forces along our river bodies and the forest reserve. And that is what we are going to work, the Ministry of Finance and key sectors, to deal with this issue. We are also going to be working with the Attorney General to mobilize all the experts needed to make sure we can aggressively prosecute people that we are arresting.
Honorable said they are going to deploy military men and security services to all the river bodies and forest reserves. No monkonko bohumbai. But yes, Obi and Osanti warning. Or say they are going to prosecute you. They are working with the Attorney General. Said they are illegal money and they can prosecute the person. Obi and Osanti last one said, who are we illegal money? Our water bodies and now forest reserves. They are coming after you.
But more than anything, I think the message to everybody engaged in any illegal activity along the Ankobra and major rivers is that we are coming after you.
In fact, this government is committed. At least the government is doing something. What you say? Until MPP for the dinner more year and then the government is not doing anything. It's never true. The government is doing something.
But you see, before we came to power, we have a government of Moka say, Omo din troka say, Omo their supposed fight, Omo se Omo kon galamsi, and Omo kon galamsi no. Omo loses seat in mining areas to the point that Bimuka say, Omo loses seat in mining areas now. And for all the way and let me put that on record. And for that reason, no. Omo kuka lanse biom. Enti ade ba kwa Ghana for HSN say that alone should give us a clear picture. Say in their final 4 years, apart from some Moka say, Omo lose more seat in 2020. No. Meaning say 2021, 2022, 23, 24. Omo ya wajun say Omo fight illegal mining biom. And a clear picture of say in the last 4 years of MPP. Omo your margin say omo ya adwuma of foreign reserves. Omo ya adwuma unso no. Omo enko pamo bia omo senso no. Enti imagine so obi di enfie 9 senso. That is a level of devastation that this government has to now confront. Now, yeba abaimo no, ana President Mahama say, yeba a fighting galamsey. Now, send American kind no. Now, say there wasn't an ongoing fight. Say ABR fight because so now MPP for a counter Kana NDC ababa and umbe to us would be. We have to start all afresh. And the government can okay. Your foreign reserves be 9 be like I say red zones because South foreign reserves we know.
Thank you very much.
Nkrofo akwajimu nyina fa omo no kra no bi mu ye armed omo kra weapons omo di judgment no yem pe kwan bi so na yem fa nkwaji foreign reserves ya me ne ameno kasai sa na foreign reserves ni na abanya tima bombo dia ma sa foreign reserves ya tima jini na baka ene ameno kasai galamsey enkoso was foreign reserves no bi ana bi abanya so kasai look because yem perceive my foreign reserves na amount for koye adwuma obunti no ever since NDC aban we buy 9 months in no among my alliances back krampo say obi nkoye adwuma we foreign reserves tabi ebisa say ana aban we say buy say ade ba ko amodi di dwuma pa machine ba ko amodi dwuma pa o galamsey excavator nti ehun say what the excavator ba Ghana ehun be hia say ebe hwehwe mu ahu say den be importe pa na wo de kwakoye one line system excavator no na ya make sure say tracking machine e da ka ho and say the tracking device aka machine no say na ebe ya ba bia ebe operate bia na ebe tima hu ba bia wo enu nti asa nkrofo na mo de ba ya sa no ma we o mantima hand suna no aban ye say ye be park ato nchen until so obetima be cheche emu ni o de ba be Ghana na wa share licenses kra owo asala jam ama enti yehu se e do so won port no ana ka se be yi afri ho no makosi ba before na journalists for koye on propaganda mo ka se abandon excavator ba amache no o ti ase yi pa ti o hwa aban juma wo di modi ba obo so fight galamsia it is very evident. Even look at the data from Water Resource Commission. River Bia, o hwa one of the major rivers I Ghana hapa as at July February 2025 we now the NTU level 5,455. the car into a car the nepherometric stability unit. So mostly want to look at the metallic aye womb near the man so they said the mercury contents near the Emma what and you safe. Nay around 5,450 NTU. And now me look at it as of July 2025. Now they grew 372. But what tipa? You mean you say and I did back when was it and say so no says na na ye jai uko pama mo no mu free home na naturally no so no animate mate within be 4-5 months but no ne boni aye di like chemicals no before you bet my free now element enya mfiki to awo and that be enough from cry but so the animate mate say ohun say aye brown e bia esote but chemicals na hogumu de be chepa atimako but one thing about nature say our water bodies, you know, naturally, one kasa wo healing process. Bacteria be woman, and it need to be absorb chemicals with. Now, Green River at my 5,450, I been through 372. That's over 5,000 pollution level now free so. Okay. River of Fin, maybe Bob major rivers and what Ghana waterfall any and so free moke say pan American. River of Fin February, yeah, by February na it was 5,740 NTU. And then me look at this was about 2,205. That was River Pratt, that's River Pratt. Say na in River Pratt. Yeah, February na it was 4,800 NTU. And no, and now me look at July. Sorry, as of July, there were 2,820. River Brim. Now River Brim so February there were 3,884. July about 1,710. Wow. River Brim near Osino. Now 4,960. And now me look at about 4,505. And today natural say NDC about we buy no. So no be wa anim etia eche say clearly no aban no make sure so mo ya adwuma wo yenso so say yenso no ye pama mo nti aban ba no ka say meeting namos a National Anti-Illegal Mining Operation Secretariat memmo ba kadiama omo dia fighting galamsey it's now no mo ko Ashanti region the three forests among for mo ya adwuma wo ina ma ko kere mo ana aban ka say o hwe forest reserves anyankopon dia maye Babi wo ho anya no do so ho yie pan wo se ebo ho ban no se ko pam se clement ne nkrofo no ewo ho se monkwa na o jai kwa o betima asa afọ wachi babium enti uko pam mo na enye enough because forest reserves ye estom aban bunti no say yen fa nkrofo ko gina wo so da fonko station wo ho no se na be ya o mebo ho bra anasa o mebo ho ban enti se ko pam mo awie mpo na ye bank kan ye free ho bank kan ya ebenya so tafo bi ho mehwe ho anwo se obi ba o mahu na manfo Rebecca say oh na Ghana so tafo kro mo yesen odi omo bi mu kon no dabi na chen dey say akoye say yes hwade so you don't need 100 police you don't need 100 soldiers say ombewo ba bi so mo hwe ho dabi omo mo ho yes say okay number na ye nipa 5 na mo hwe nipa 10 na hwe ho no ma nipa 10 no nipa bet ma ba ho no ma mo ntimi omo so omo den say omo protect omo guard ho so omo say nipa bi be encroach ho na omo hwe omo ahon de bro omo so a what they have to do is say ombe call for reinforcement and say ombe notify higher authorities na omo de nipa bi aba ho no enti na obe hwe say o hwe ho say obi ba ho no ma what be betima anya obi ho no ma anytime bia obi wura ho bia wetin abo mpanyifa ma na say da bi pa sho forest way and I say sa forest reserve never has no obi be say obe ya adwuma ho nti pa mpanyifo mo ma mehwe enti aban ne ka say ya jeje no mana wi na mo yentimi nja say enda ho e wo say ensan fa so ya fon ko gina ho na abrani abre bia no mo ntimi